everybody, I'm Randy from Randy's Electric, and today I'm here with one of my journeymen, Tom. Tom's been with me for going on 3 years.
3 years.
And is an excellent electrician. Really proud to have him. So today we're going to talk about smoke detectors.
Dun dun dun.
Who cares about smoke detectors? So you never see them, you never hear them.
Yeah.
Who cares?
You hear them at 1 o'clock in the morning when they're yelling at you, chirping, right?
That's the only time.
That's it.
So why do we have smoke detectors?
Very important to save you and your family's life. That's why we have smoke detectors.
So what do we have here in front of us?
So we have 3 different models of smoke detectors. We have smart home smoke detectors. Sync them with your phones. All 3 of these are interconnected. One go off, all go off. Very, very important when it comes to the minimum standards for the fire standards here.
Yep.
We have a standard smoke detector with general maintenance once a year.
Okay.
And then we have a maintenance-free smoke detector for the life of the unit.
So it's a 10-year smoke detector?
Yep, 10 years. So.
Okay. And this one, we don't know, they're guaranteed for 1 year, but we don't know how long they'll last.
That's correct, yep.
Okay.
Anywhere usually between 6 and 8 years is kind of what we've seen in the field, but we have definitely seen smoke detectors fail earlier. So that's where our warranty comes into play, and we'll take care of you at Randy's Electric.
Okay. And the smart ones, do they know when they're bad?
These ones do. They're fantastic. They send you alerts on your phone, so you'll get instant updates. You'll get updates whether or not you're out of state or at work that day of whether or not you have any fire or carbon monoxide in your home. So fantastic unit.
Okay, great. So Randy's Electric, we do smoke detectors all the time. If you look at yours and it looks yellow, that means it's old, and you should at least have it evaluated. The problem I find is that when you push the button, it'll go off, but it doesn't smell smoke anymore.
Yep.
So you push the button and it goes beep. It doesn't tell you if it smells smoke.
No, they've figured out that after a certain amount of time, the nose on the unit is not going to work anymore. So you need to get these replaced for safety reasons for sure.
Okay, great. Thank you, Tom. And so give us a call at Randy's Electric and we can help you figure it out. We're at 763-560-5600 because we can fix your OOs.
I love it.
Or randyselectric.com. Thanks very much.
Thank you.